Make money with money using your brain. Most people think money only comes from hard work. But the truth is, if you use your brain wisely, your money can work harder than you do. My name is Mr. Mind Tips, and today I'll show you how to make money from money by using your brain. Here's the first mindset shift. Money is not just cash. It's a tool. Imagine two people with $1,000. One spends it on the latest phone, the other invests it, grows it, or flips it for profit. Same money, different brain, different result. If you want to build wealth, you need to stop thinking like a spender and start thinking like an investor. Your brain is the real engine that multiplies money. Money without knowledge disappears fast. That's why so many people win the lottery and go broke. But money plus brain equals wealth. When you understand concepts like compound interest, cash flow, and market behavior, you're not guessing. You're making strategic moves. Think of it this way. Money is a seed. Your brain decides whether it grows into a tree or dies in the soil. So how do you actually use your brain to make money from money? Here are 3 powerful methods. Invest smartly, put money in assets that grow over time, stocks, real estate, ETFs. Compound growth turns small amounts into big numbers. Create cash flow. Use money to generate regular income. Dividend stocks, rental income, or building digital products. Flip with creativity. Use brain plus hustle. Buy undervalued things, improve them, and sell for more. For example, furniture flipping, domain names, or even buying and reselling trending products. Each method uses the same principle. Your money becomes an employee working for you 24/7. But here's the key. Don't just focus on making money, focus on keeping it. Avoid emotional spending, scams, and risky shortcuts. Quick money often means quick losses. Real wealth comes from steady, smart decisions. So remember this formula. Money without brain equals wasted. Brain without money equals potential. Money plus brain equals wealth. If you want to grow rich, don't just use your wallet, use your brain. This is Mr. Mind Tips. Subscribe for more hacks to upgrade your mind and your money.